An outpouring of criticism from the scientific community to the announcement yesterday from Health Secretary Kennedy that he is cutting millions of dollars of research for the technology that created COVID vaccines.
Health reporter Stephanie Starr joins us with more on what many are calling an alarming announcement.
I'm hearing from lots of scientists on this one. This vaccine technology, mRNA, was created right here in Philadelphia. Researchers say it has broad potential to fight many infections and possibly even cancer. But Secretary Kennedy disagrees.
mRNA technology poses more risks than benefits.
On social media, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. explaining why HHS has canceled nearly $500 million from mRNA vaccine research.
As the pandemic showed us, mRNA vaccines don't perform well against viruses that infect the upper respiratory tract.
But many in the scientific community dispute that, saying the technology first used to create the COVID-19 vaccine is safe and effective.
It certainly did decrease the mortality associated with COVID, and they're also using it for things like potential treatment of cancers and things like that. So to say we're no longer going to fund research of this is not a scientific approach.
Dr. Bobby Mukamala is the president of the American Medical Association.
It's not a step forward in science.
mRNA technology works by getting the body to produce a fragment of a virus, which then sets off the body's immune response. And unlike traditional vaccines, which can take years to develop, mRNA is fast.
You can very quickly design new mRNA vaccines to be specifically matched to what's circulating.
Scott Hensley is an immunologist at the University of Pennsylvania who we interviewed last year in his lab, where mRNA was being researched for bird flu. He calls the health secretary's decision to cut funding bad for science.
Science is what moves the world forward.
Two researchers from Penn were awarded the Nobel Prize in 2023 for discovering how to modify mRNA.
I think that's fantastic.
I spoke to Dr. Weissman in November of 2020 when he first learned the COVID-19 vaccines were effective.
Making something that helps people is what my life's dream has been.
In announcing the research funding cut for mRNA, Secretary Kennedy said the money would go to what he calls better vaccine research.
HHS supports safe, effective vaccines for every American who wants them.
Now, Secretary Kennedy says his focus is on a universal vaccine that he says mimics natural immunity. Doctors say it is important for people to understand this cutback will not impact the vaccines that are currently available.
I'm sure reactions coming in from everywhere.
Lots.
All right, Stephanie, thank you so much.